What's the meaning of brashly? Brashly. Brashly.
Brashly. Brashly. Brashly means behaving in a bold and confident manner, often without considering the possible consequences. When someone acts brashly, they may take risks or make decisions quickly without thinking things through thoroughly. This type of behavior can lead to either positive or negative outcomes, depending on the situation and the individual's level of expertise or experience. On one hand, acting brashly can result in successful endeavors and unexpected achievements. On the other, it can also lead to errors in judgment and mistakes that could have potentially been avoided with more careful consideration. Overall, brashly is a term that implies a certain level of risk-taking and impulsiveness.